here was a request. Peppa Pig, get grounded. Get here! I'm not letting you to get away. You don't have me. Peppa, wear a bikini and load the police of it with olive and get slapped by my speed. Today, I'm gonna wear a bikini again and again and again and load the police of it with oil again, and because I'm gonna load the police station right now. I need to get a bikini. Alright, I wear a bikini and again. Now I'm going to load the police station and police officer with oil. That was so much fun. Alright, here's the police station. Well, I need to get inside and see what the police are doing. Alright, here's the policeman. Hello, welcome to my office. How many? Peppa, why are you wearing bikini? Well, I'm going to lure the policeman and lure the police officer. What? Yeah, too bad. Have a tea, all of your police officer. And by the way, have a beat all of your police office. Alright, let me finish the turf and have a new beat all over the police station. The police office and the police station. Remember that call with the big island. Remember big island. Welcome to breaking news. Breaking news. Peppa, wear bikini and load the police station and the police officer with big oil. And it's gonna be a massive blow the entire police station down. And it's gonna be the greatest that up in the building. And Peppa, wear bikini in the police station, and it's gonna be so much trouble. And Peppa, he's gonna be slapped by a bad pretty bell. Goodbye. Peppa, wear bikini for the fifth time in a row. That's it. I can't believe he lured the police station, and then he lured the police officer with oil, and lured the policeman with oil. That's it. I will slap your butt by bell. I hate you now. Haha, you can't get me. You're gay. Okay, I know. Oh no, I get slapped by my feet. Oh no, get back here. Peppa, are you ugly bitch? I can't believe you wear bikini and load the police station and the police officer with olive, and then you got whole time you ruined the whole time. That's it. You know that quitting and teach your lessons again. No. Well, don't ever see. Now time for mega super